Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to register on DCPTG. All you're going to need is Bidget and your phone number. Let's get started. Starting off, you want to head over to DCPTG.com. Then you click the profile on the left top and proceed to log in. Click on Register and enter your phone number. Then you want to set your password. After doing so, you're going to fill in the required invitation code, which is 8ZG0P0. Type in the verification code and proceed to register. After the successful registration, you're going to go to Bidget. Select the amount you want to deposit. I would recommend by starting out with 200 USDT. Click on Buy USDT. After the successful payment, go to Withdraw and select USDT and the TRC20 network. Now you're going to go back to your DCPTG account and click on Recharge. Select DPay and copy your address. That's the address you'll send your money to. Paste the address into Withdrawal Address and click on Next. After receiving the money on DCPTG, you can straight away start quantifying your deposit. I've already done that today. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everything is clear. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Telegram channel or simply write a comment down below. Let's get this money.